Hello, just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to download your photos and videos from Facebook. For whatever reason, if you want to get rid of your account or just have your information elsewhere, just to save secure, have an extra copy. There's a way to do it, and it's pretty simple. So first of all, you can do this anywhere from anywhere on the page. You just go on the upper right hand side on the account, and this little down caret, and you go to settings and privacy. Select that. You'll hit settings again, bring up your full settings page, and third option down, your Facebook information. You'll click on that, and here, download your information. You'll go to this page, and here you'll request a copy. Now you can download all kinds of different things from Facebook, but we're just sticking to videos and photos, so you will want to make sure you deselect all, or otherwise you're going to get everything on Facebook and it's going to be very cluttered. So here on photos and videos, it's the second option. You'll select that. It'll be the only thing. All this information up here, I wouldn't recommend messing with this. The date range you can adjust. It goes all the way back to Facebook's early days, but if you've been on Facebook a long time, like I have, over 10 years, then you might as well just do it all. Or you just want to go back to the past year, you can adjust that very easily as well. You will hit create file, and this information here will come up. Copy your files being created. Alright, that took about 4 or 5 minutes. Got a notification at the bottom. You can go up here, notifications appear, Facebook information is ready to download. Just click on that and this will come up and you have available copies here. And how long it takes really depends on how much information you have. It's, like I said, this is many years of photos and videos. So said it took 4 or 5 minutes. This is my wife's profile. She has a lot more stuff than I do. Mine took only 1 or 2 minutes. But here you want to hit download. This goes straight to your desktop. You'll hit save and it'll populate here. Let you know when it's done. Doesn't take very long at this point. The zip folder. You will open that up. At the top you'll hit compress folder tools. It'll bring a couple of options, and you'll want to extract these, extract all, and this will give you the path to where on your computer you want to save these. It defaults usually somewhere within your C drive, and it sets your path here, so I normally save it somewhere I can find it a little bit easier. You can even save all these on your desktop, create a separate folder, but I go to my PC. I'm going to actually create a separate folder in here, a new folder, rename Andy Photos. Select folder. That is the path. You hit extract. And it's complete. My storage drive, and here's her information, photos and videos, just like it was in the file, and I have all the folders here. You even have a separate one for your videos. And we'll just compare this trip when we went to Las Vegas. That's all there is to it. File names are a little ridiculous, but you can organize and adjust these. But the point is, you have all your photos and videos located somewhere other than Facebook. So they're on your computer, and you can do with what you like. Thank you.